Yeah, it's another day for me and my little puppy. I think he's having noodles today. Noodles, egg, and bread. That's me anyway, going to serve him. No, ah, everybody always say, is a man, is a man. But she is not a man. She's a woman. The lady came to so I think he's happy. Mm, anytime you see food, he's always happy. But he always mess up. I lock his cage because I don't even understand him. I keep beating him, warning him not to put in his cage. That's me mixing his food anyway. Because if I don't mix it, I might just eat the egg and leave the noodles. I don't beat him like my wife do anyway. So I think he's chilling. Because my wife know she's left for me. This is what we have for the whole day. But she will not allow me. I think mm, if having it, just let me know maybe I try my voiceover.